Yes, Kangana, what would you like to eat?
Mama, I want something saucy, cheesy, and tasty.
All right, okay. If that's what you want, then I'll make MAGGI pasta for you. So let's make saucy, cheesy, and rich MAGGI pasta. And do you know, it's made from 100% semolina. It'll be ready in no time. First, we'll take 1¼ cups, that is, 270 milliliters of water. Now add the MAGGI pasta and the taste maker to the water. Let it come to a boil, and after that, let it simmer for 5 minutes. When you see a nice saucy consistency, that means we're done.
Mama, is the pasta with the tastemaker ready? I am so hungry.
Yes, it's ready. MAGGI Pazzta Cheese Macaroni. It's saucy, cheesy, just like you asked.
Thank you, Mama. I love it.
MAGGI pasta, Italian delight in every bite. You should also try delicious MAGGI pasta today.